beans, dairy cheese, Daya cheese, which isn't dairy. I use tortillas. If there are any of you who don't know how to make quesadilla, first you need to open the can of beans and shredded cheese, any kind. And you need any kind of tortilla, oil, and a pan, and that's really all. And a spatula. And what you do is you put, once the pan gets hot, this is just like you do for an omelet. Once the pan gets hot, you put the bottom of the quesadilla, like the tortilla, right on the bottom of the pan. And then you sprinkle cheese and beans on the top. You can put whatever you want really on the stuff for the middle. But what you do, here's how I make them because I don't like extra stuff. But I'm going to put some on the counter tonight. I just put beans and cheese, but you can add extra. And then once the cheese is all melted, I take the other tortilla and put it on the top. And then I let it cook for a little longer and then I flip it. And then I let it cook for a little longer and then I put it on a plate. And you gotta let it cool before you cut it. I like to cut it into triangles, but you can cut it into whatever you want. Bye.